You can edit videos with AI in 3 minutes with AI, and I'm going to show you the whole process, not just talk about it. The tool is CapCut. Stick around, because the result at the end is genuinely impressive. So what is CapCut? Straight from the source, edit YouTube and Instagram videos with CapCut's AI-powered video editor, smart templates, and creative effects. Download CapCut on desktop, mobile, or edit online. In plain words, it lets you edit videos with AI without any skills. Let me show you what it can really do. Here's what makes CapCut worth your time, taken straight from the tool itself. First, AI-powered photo and video editor for everyone. On top of that, smart editor and generator. That's real capability, not marketing fluff. And these aren't mock-ups. This is real work people made with CapCut. Look at the quality, and keep in mind they had no experience when they started. It goes further too. AI image generator. AI video generator. So it's not a one-trick tool, you'll actually keep using it. Let's actually use it. Go to the CapCut website and sign up. You can log in with Google in a few seconds, and the free plan needs no credit card. Once you're in, you start your project the same way you saw in those examples. You describe what you want in plain words, or upload your own file to work from. Hit generate, and CapCut does the heavy lifting in seconds. If it's not perfect, you tweak your prompt or settings and run it again. That back and forth is where the magic happens. When you're happy, export your result and use it anywhere, in your videos, your business, or social media. The whole thing really does take about 3 minutes. Honestly, the free plan is enough to get real value and test it properly. You only need to pay once you're scaling up or want commercial rights. No pressure to upgrade on day one. That's the full process to edit videos with AI with CapCut in 3 minutes. The link to try it is in the description. If this was useful, subscribe. I break down a new AI tool properly every day.